All right, today we're going to dive into one of the most fundamental, yet kind of overlooked parts of our own biology, the living scaffold that, well, literally holds us all together.
So let me just ask you, what really holds you together? It sounds like a simple question, right? But the answer is so much more amazing than you might think. It's not just your bones or your muscles. Nope, it's this invisible, hidden material woven through almost every single part of you.
And get this, it's stronger than steel by weight. We're talking, of course, about collagen. This is the body's living scaffold, a biological masterpiece of engineering that provides the actual framework for your entire existence.
To give you a sense of just how important this stuff is, collagen makes up about a third of all the protein in your body. It provides the essential strength and structure for our tissues, kind of like a biological rope that resists pulling and stretching. But it's also the blueprint for our tissue architecture. It literally tells our cells where to go and what to build.
So how in the world is this incredible material actually made? Well, to figure that out, we have to zoom in, way in, down to the molecular level to see the blueprint for this super protein. At its very core, collagen has this brilliant design, a triple helix. Just picture braiding 3 strong cords together to make one single, much, much stronger cable. That's basically what your body is doing with protein chains to create the fundamental building block of collagen. It's genius. And the way it's built is like this tiny, microscopic factory line. It all starts inside these specialized cells, like fibroblasts in your skin. Now here's a cool part. This is where vitamin C becomes absolutely essential. It acts as a key tool to stabilize the whole structure. Then, once it's pushed out of the cell, these units cleverly self-assemble into the strong fibers that give our tissues all that strength.
But here's the thing, it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of protein. Collagen is actually a whole diverse family of proteins, and different types are designed for very different jobs. So let's meet the main players, shall we? This table really shows you just how specialized collagen is. You've got the heavy-duty cable, that's type 1 for your bones and skin. Then there's the shock-absorbing cushion of type 2 in your cartilage. You've also got the flexible net of type 3 that supports your organs, and even a super delicate filter, type 4. Each one is perfectly engineered for its specific role.
And that's not even all of them. Beyond those 4 big ones, you have this whole supporting cast. You've got type V, which kind of manages how the fibers get put together. Type 7 acts like a biological staple, anchoring layers of skin to each other. And type 17 works like a tiny molecular rivet, holding cells in place. It's a whole ecosystem of structural proteins. Okay, but this incredible network isn't static. It's not like the frame of a house that just sits there. It's a dynamic, living material that changes throughout our lives, and it plays a huge role in how we heal and how we age. Think about what happens when you get a cut. Your body immediately lays down a network of collagen to start the repair. It often uses that flexible type 3 first, almost like an emergency patch. Then, over time, that patch gets remodeled into the much stronger type I, and that's what eventually forms a scar. This whole process of repair and renewal is happening all the time, all over our bodies. And this really shows you the story of time written right into our tissues. When we're young, our collagen network is super organized, it's flexible, and it renews itself really quickly. But as we get older, that renewal process slows way down. The structure can get more disorganized and stiff, which is something we feel in everything from our skin's elasticity to how our joints feel.
So as we start to bring this all together, it becomes so clear that collagen is way more than just a buzzword you hear in the beauty industry. It is, quite literally, the hidden architecture that allows our bodies to even function.
And this is the part that's so critical to understand. When collagen is defective, the body's entire infrastructure can be at risk. And we're talking way beyond wrinkles here. We're talking about things like brittle bones, unstable joints, even organ dysfunction. It just hammers home how truly fundamental this one protein is.
So in the end, it all comes back to these simple, powerful ideas. Collagen is the high-tension cable in your tendons. It's the steel rebar reinforcing your bones. It's the microscopic filter that keeps your cells organized and working. It's the quiet, powerful masterpiece holding you together.
It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If this incredible, invisible network is structuring our entire biological world, what other hidden frameworks are out there shaping the world around us, just waiting for us to see them?